If the toilet is still clogged after trying the soap trick, you need a clear backup plan that escalates from safe DIY steps to when to call a professional. Start by adding hot but not boiling water to the bowl from waist height to generate force that helps dislodge the blockage. Then wait 5 to 10 minutes to let the warm water soften any waste. If that does not work, mix 1 cup of baking soda with 2 cups of white vinegar poured slowly into the bowl. Then wait 30 minutes before flushing to allow the fizzy reaction to break down solids. A wire coat hanger can be straightened and sheathed with a rag to probe gently around the trap. Only use this if you can feel the obstruction and work slowly to avoid scratching the porcelain. When using a plunger, choose a flange plunger for toilets, create a seal, and push and pull firmly for at least 20 strokes, clearing the pipe by maintaining the seal the entire time. For recurring clogs, check for low water levels in the tank, partial blockages from non-flushable items, and consider adjusting the fill valve to ensure a stronger flush. Document what you tried so you can describe it if you call for help. If you are uncomfortable with any of these steps or the clog persists after repeated attempts, stop and contact a licensed plumber to avoid causing an overflow or damaging the toilet. Common mistakes include forcing a wire tool too deep and scratching or breaking the porcelain, which can lead to leaks and costly repairs. So use a protective sleeve and gentle movements, or switch to a plunger if you do not feel the obstruction easily. People also pour boiling water directly into the bowl, which can crack ceramic and cause an immediate need for replacement, so always use hot water that is below boiling and pour from a modest height. Finally, repeatedly flushing a stubborn clog can cause an overflow and water damage. So if a few controlled flushes do not work, stop and call a professional rather than risk a flood. We run bighomeprojects.com to help homeowners find local contractors for jobs they cannot handle themselves, and to help contractors find new customers and projects. Our site also hosts a discussion community where we and other members share tips, ask questions, and compare experiences on household issues like stubborn toilet clogs.